Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you grade 8 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publisher official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, the farewell sermon of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. SLOs of this lesson are: use conventions and dynamics of group discussion and interaction to offer and to respond introductions and greetings. Use summary skill to extract salient points and develop a mind map to summarize a text. Now look at the textbook and page number 9. We have a D section here. Complete the mind map and write down the summary of the lesson. The farewell sermon of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in your notebooks. We have discussed the mind map technique in your previous lessons too. So let's have a quick recap of mind map. Mind map is concept mapping is a method of organizing thoughts in a manner which allows them to flow clearly and logically. The use of concept mind maps allows us to work more quickly and efficiently. Decide what general topics or title you will be writing about and design it in the center of a piece of a paper. Like how? Look at this one. This is the main idea here. You are writing about it. You have to complete the mind map here by picking important words or details from the text. Dear student, we have read the unit number 1, all the text. For example, we have a important point which we discussed in the unit number 1 here. Feed and clothe your slave with food and as you eat yourself. This is the sentence which was spoken by Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You can also pick some of the important points from your text and complete the mind map here. The mind map whole here. And he talked about the women's rights, human rights, about prayer, about kindness, about creating a benevolence society. So you can pick some of the important points from your text and write it here in this mind map. This is your main idea and you have to support it by adding supporting details to complete it. I hope you can do this very easily. Now look at the page number 9. We have a listening and speaking section here. What it says. Let's go back to the SLO of this section. Use conventions and dynamics of group discussion and interaction to offer and respond to introductions and greetings. First, we will discuss what are the convention and dynamics of group discussion. A group can be defined as several individuals. It can be consist of 2, 3 or 4 more people who come together to complete a particular task or goal. Group dynamics refers to the attitude and behavior of the individual of a group. Group dynamics concern how groups form, their structure and process, and how they function. Now, if you look at the page number 9 in your textbook, meeting a new student in school. Lubna, this is a conversation between Lubna, Rabia and the other student in the last. What Lubna says, hi, I am Lubna. Rabia says, I am Rabia. Then Lubna says, haven't seen you around. Are you a new student? Rabia, yes, it's my first day today and I am little nervous. Lubna says, what class are you in? Rabia says, class 8, section B. Lubna, oh, that's great. I'm also in the same section. So we will be together. Rabia, good. After talking to you, I'm feeling a lot better. Lubna, come, I will introduce you to the rest of the class. Rabia, thank you very much. If we see here the purpose and the goal of this discussion was to Rabia was nervous in the school on the first day, and then Lubna saw her and invited her to the class, and she wanted to introduce to the class. So the attitude and the behavior of the Lubna was here kind and friendly. She welcomed her, she welcomed Rabia, and she wanted to introduce her to the other class. Now look at the convention. A convention in the sense of a meeting is a gathering of individuals who meet at an arranged place and time in order to discuss or engage in some common interest. Here if we see, the common interest was to come to the school and join the class. Here if you see in the classroom, Lubna says, "Hello everybody, this is Rabia. Today is her first day in school." Students says, "Hello Rabia, welcome to the class." Rabia says, "Thank you, I'm looking forward to being here." If we see here, all other individuals together too in this, and their behavior and attitude was friendly and welcoming for everybody. The convention was the way of dealing the people, talking to the people. The time and place, what will be the place? The place is in this conversation a school, and they are having discussion at school and talking to each other in a friendly and welcoming manner. The individuals are gathered in and they have a discussion about joining the new class in school and greeting each other like hi, thank you, hello. These are the greetings. They are greeting each other. Dear students, this is your homework from Summer Pack. Write a paragraph on the following topic and tell from which SLO this question has been taken. Sports and games. You have to write a paragraph on sports and games. Give an introduction about sports and games. We have discussed the conventions of essay. I have to give an introduction about sports and games and then its importance. Then why the sports and games, what role the sports and games play in our daily life and why it is important for our health. So you have to write about these things in your essay of sports and games. Just write a paragraph about it. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.